get the new taillight installed here. Don't want to lose the hardware, but it's going to be tricky on pieces like this because it's kind of, you know, the way power tools would have been good for this. Coulda, woulda, maybe shoulda, but it didn't drop the screw. All right, novel idea. Power tools. Crazy shit, right? And even better idea, the right size bit. No, is that the same one I already had? So, power tools, right size bit. Still wants to strip. All right, we're gonna go to actually paying attention to what I'm doing for a second. No, stop that. All right, we're back. Drill sounds a little bad. Hardware. That housing is not part of what I got new though, so let's just go ahead and remove the lens. Lens off. Didn't realize my housing was ruined. That's so unfortunate. I think I gotta clean this before I put it back together. Guess we're gonna have to do like some rigging. I know, crazy me rigging something. Tie it, and it, you know, just here-ish, maybe. Got my shoes. I'm just gonna, you know, do it the best possible way we can do it. Oh, that's my face. Now this is a show car. We don't want to cut any corners. Hey, that's pretty good. I just don't want any green tint behind it, really, that's all. Alright, splasheroonie, splashery-doo, more gooder. Alright, so we're just going to shove this up in here instead of opening the hatch the right way. Get her lined up, and I'll zip the screws in it. It's not a perfect match, but it'll do. Really wish it was brighter like the far right. Didn't spend a lot, and I mean, it's the only one I could find, so, you know, we'll just wipe it down and hope it brightens up. So amongst the things that are real fun to do with one hand, we're going to put putting screws into things with the drill. So I'm just not gonna, and you're gonna use your imagination. We're gonna just put this one in the corner. You can see exactly why I'm not gonna do this for like all 8 of them. Well, there you are. New taillight in the Chevette. Yeah, there you go. I cleaned them. Now they look a little more good, I guess.